Verydarkman give fan bundle of cash in Peruzzi's show that went down in Abuja yesterday. Cubana Chief Priest and Burnaboy could settle their differences in the ring in the boxing match. Okay, guys, on the news today, Verydarkman was live at Peruzzi's show that went on in Abuja yesterday, and it was a fantastic show. Verydarkman arrived. You have to see fans cheering at him as he arrived the venue, him and Coco P, and it was a wonderful event. He had fun and everything went well. Verydarkman gifted a fan bundle of money yesterday and comedians that came to greet him. It was really wonderful seeing Verydarkman as I know every time about the carry case for head. Sometimes make him to go have fun. Look at how the whole thing went down.
Verydarkman, Ochacho, Transcorp Hilton, Abestef, Nevada Lifestyle. These 5 things what I tell you, freestyle with them. And for you to win my gifts, the crowd need to appreciate you. They need to shout. They will shout when they feel you. When you are.
If the money do, I will paint the town brown. This life you see is very dark, man. And anybody when go want try me, go they learn the hard way, but my name will be very dark, man. In fact, let's talk about Nevada Lifestyle. I know ride this watch and I'm freestyle. Now yesterday I lose this my hairstyle. And understand, Poppy Lifestyle. Next, let me drop with Ochacho. Because the swag too sweet and the swag choke. Let me drop about ice cream, my brother, man. And you know I weather like Jagaban. I am Chinu, fuck it and Jagaban. When I'm dropping, there's nobody better than the way I the food is crap with the way I the food. I suppose on the food that's on jerry can. But the way I'm rapping now, the boy is so original. Let me rap with the place we did, Trans Crop. Back then, I hear we be called the plant crop. Now, the club don't germinate. Now my contract cross, you cannot terminate. I'm supposed to respect you, but money no day to the pay respect. See, the bars that they give you on a steady base are the one where they go see watch for MTV page.
Come on! Hey, stop that! No, I'm not impressed. Ochacho, are you impressed? Well, Verydarkman, are you impressed? Thank you guys, thank you. Where's the knees? Bring him back on stage.
Just climb like that.
Cubana Chief Priest and Burnaboy might be settling their differences on the ring. Are we going to get Cubana Chief Priest, Mr. Money Nawata, and Burnaboy, the ODG himself, on the ring on the boxing match after yesterday's fight between Charles Okocha and Portable, where Charles Okocha came out victorious? A proposal has already been made about Burnaboy and Cubana Chief Priest stepping into the ring to settle their differences. Cubana Chief Priest, I was asking, they go fee pay, you know in what, you go bring enough money for him to step into the ring. And it doesn't even seem like Cubana Chief Priest they fear. If they tell you make you talk, Cubana Chief Priest and Burnaboy who go deck each other if they step inside. Cubana Chief Priest doesn't seem like he's afraid though. But Burnaboy carry Burnaboy the chop iron though. But Burnaboy the chop iron though. Tell us what you think.
Call about.
But I don't get the resources.
The
funding is high.